how you doing? My name is Frederick, can do nothing. And I say, how you doing? More than any person should. Okay? I got one eye that points to the left, and then I got one that points to the right. And they just can't decide on a happy medium.
Frederick. So that eye points that way, that way.
No, they're going like this.
No, they're going like that.
You're confusing me. Please stop. Tell her to stop it right now.
No.
Anyway, so one day
Wait,
I was at the mall and I saw one of this person. And I opened up my phone to pretend like I was talking so I could look cool, and I was like, no, I can't come over tonight because I really am not into that kind of scene, and I really don't like you. Okay, goodbye. And once that person walked past, they kind of looked at me funny. I guess it's because my cell phone isn't cool enough. I don't know. And then they saw my rings and they thought that I was married, and I was like, I'm not married, it's not even around the right finger. And they just looked at me like I was crazy. And so that girl over there is kind of scaring me. Real bad. I don't like her. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Alrighty then, back to the show. So I got this bracelet, right?
11.
11.
You got the keys?
1, 1. See, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4,
Stop
5,
trying to do it like I do.
6,
I do not say it like that.
8. Oh, my phone's ringing. I got to answer that real fast. Hello? Hi. Nothing. What are you doing?
Back to
driving. Where are you?
Switching to character.
Yeah,
I gotta talk to my character. Excuse me. I'm in a character right now, so I gotta talk to you like this. I'm terribly, terribly sorry. So you're about an hour away? Okay, just call me when you get to the hotel, lovey, okay? Alrighty, we're gonna eat Waffle House in the morning, so we'll probably be over there around 7. It's right in front of the parking lot. Alrighty, well call me when you get here. Okay, I love you. Goodbye. So, that was my good friend BB. She's coming to stay at the hotel too with her daddy, who's going to be a chaperone on the trip. And, oh yeah, we're going to New York pretty soon. It's going to be real fantastic because I'm going to go there and I'll be like, ooh, naked cowboy. And he's going to be real.
We have to get a picture with the naked cowboy. I missed him last time.
He is so cute, and honestly, I really don't know. He looks just like Will Ferrell.
Will Ferrell was not cute.
Yeah, Will Ferrell. In my eyes.
Shake and bake, baby. Shake and bake.
Shake and bake. Okay.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
All right. So,
Alright, you have,
anonymous hand.
hey, you have 21 seconds.
21, 20.
No, not 18.
19. 17.
Do something besides counting down.
No, and flare your nostrils, please, and just look at it. Is that how you snore?